In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly extract text from an image using Canva. Whether you're creating stunning presentations or just keen on pulling text out of a photo, this step-by-step guide will have you mastering the task in no time. We begin our journey by heading to your Canva document. If you've not yet opened your Canva account, go ahead and do that through your preferred web browser. Once you're there, simply navigate to the document that contains the image you'd like to work with. Think of this as your virtual canvas, brimming with creative possibilities, just waiting for you to tap into its potential. Now, with your document open, identify the image where you want to extract text. Selecting this image is our second move. Imagine you're preparing a canvas for a masterpiece. It's all about setting the stage for practical creativity. Once that's done, look for the Edit option. It's like a toolkit where all the magic happens. Within this Magic Studio section, there's a feature labeled Grab Text. This nifty tool is specifically designed to make text extraction as seamless as possible. Next, go ahead and click on Grab Text. This action initiates Canva's intelligent technology, which works like an artist meticulously identifying each letter and word within the image. You might think of it as a helpful assistant who's ready and eager to lend a hand. The moment Canva processes the image, it will highlight the text for you to see clearly. It's like uncovering hidden gems that were there all along, just waiting to be brought to the forefront. With the text now highlighted, the next step is simply clicking on the specific text you wish to extract. Imagine this as picking just the right notes from a symphony to create a perfect melody. Once selected, a Grab option appears. Clicking Grab is akin to opening a door to new possibilities, enabling you to seamlessly transfer the text into your project or for any other use you might have. As we wrap up, remember, these steps are not just about functionality, but about enhancing your creative toolkit. Through Canva's innovative platform, you're not just extracting text, you're unlocking new ways to communicate and present your ideas. So there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've mastered text extraction from images in Canva. This method is not only efficient, but also a testament to the ease and flexibility that modern technology brings to our fingertips. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey today. Enjoy applying this new skill in your future projects, and don't forget to explore the many other features Canva has to offer. Until next time, happy designing.